Okay, I made this quick video for the Subaru Legacy owners who looking for a tire upgrade. The tire that they have from Goodyear, that 225/50 R18, that's a little thin. That's a good sized tire, but it's a little thin for this particular car. So I just recently got new tires, and I went with a 245/50 R18. So I went two sizes wider. Let me show you what I got. I went with the Continental DWS 06 Plus. So far they handle pretty good, smooth, but what I was hoping for was that the tires fill out the wheel wells, which it did to some extent, but I'm gonna probably have to put on wheel spacers to get a even more handling, increased handling. So you could see from the side angle that it doesn't quite, the wheels doesn't quite come onto the wheel wells. So I'm looking for spacers that come onto that, push it out to exactly the wheel wells right here. I'll get better handling that way. And I'm gonna put the strut tower for the car also, for the front and back. As you can see, Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06. Tire tread. So pretty damn big tire. It's a pretty goddamn big tire. Yeah, that's the tire tread. So in case anyone is looking, I know there's we are few and far in between the Subaru Legacy owners. You know, it's not a popular car, it's not a performance car. Just a regular everyday touring car, but I'm gonna put some semblance of a performance makeup package that I could find. I was thinking about doing the lights, putting LED lights, but the low HID headlights are fine enough. All right, that's enough.